Alrighty guys, what's going on today? So I'm going to be talking to you about the Cuisinart CPS-445 pizza grilling set. So summer's on the way and I'm actually planning on grilling a lot of pizzas outside on our grill this summer. So that's why I ordered this set. It's really cool. It's actually a really nifty and well put together little 3-piece set. Just really quick what it comes with. It comes with a 13-inch ceramic pizza stone, which is right here. It comes with a pizza peel that also folds up really nicely. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but handle folds. There you go, back under, so it's much easier to store. And then it also comes with the pizza cutter as well. Yeah, again, nice little set. I'm gonna talk about the stone first. It makes, having a ceramic stone helps in making really great tasting pizza. I've always loved cooking pizza on ceramic stones. I used to have another one, but when we moved, I don't know what happened to it. So we just recently got a new one. Essentially, somehow, some way it helps give the pizza crust a crispier texture, and I don't know, overall just makes it more delicious in a strange way. I know one of the reasons why it does this is essentially ceramic stones are heat resistant in a way, meaning that they can distribute heat evenly without having any spots that are overheated. So when you're usually grilling, you're going to have hotter spots on the grill in some places than in others. So you kind of have to make sure that you're distributing your food in the proper place to grill it. This kind of does that for you. It kind of automates that whole process, which is really nice. So that means you won't have spots on the pizza that are over or undercooked. It really gives it an even, crispy crust, which is awesome. And this is 13 inches. So, that's pretty much the size of the pizza that you're going to be able to make, which is a fairly good size, especially if you're making just, pizzas at home. So then you also have, as well, the pizza peel right here. Pizza peel, really nice long handle, as you can see. Handle is about 11 inches, which is actually bigger than the peel itself. The peel is about, I think, 9 by 10 inches. And so having a really long handle is nice because it allows you to, not get too close. Especially if you're someone who's using an actual, brick pizza oven. I'm not, but, for those who have to really put it back there in the fire, this is really helpful. It's, got a great smooth finish on the top, as you can see, and the bottom, meaning that it doesn't stick. It's made out of a pretty durable aluminum, but it's cool because, it doesn't stick, which can be the problem with some pizza peels. Essentially, it's just perfect for placing your pizza on the grill or the stone really easily, and then removing it when it's done. That's really the point of pizza peels. It's much better than, trying to do it by hand or with a spatula or a plate or something like that. It's, that's just kind of ridiculous. So this is very helpful in that way. And then finally, we have the cutting wheel. Cutting wheel is actually pretty solid quality. I know it's not really necessarily something that I needed to purchase this set, but it's nice to have it, and I can keep it outside and use this one specifically for when I make pizza. It's got a nice round cutting shape, and also I actually like the little added finger protectors right here. Sometimes cutting into pizza can actually be, or crispier crust can actually be pretty hard. So it's cool because you can really dig in there and then not worry about, cutting your thumb or fingers, especially if you're going fast and trying to, make your food fast. And you can obviously also use this for things other than pizza, cookie sheets, flatbread, brownies, whatever. And then it also needs to be hand washed. That's one thing that I kind of learned about a year ago. Is that I used to use blades and I'd put them in the dishwasher, and I didn't realize that the moisture actually can pretty greatly dull a blade. So I now know, you must hand wash these things. So that's one thing to definitely take note of. But yeah, overall, if you're, getting into making pizzas at home, then I would certainly recommend this set. It's awesome. It's, you know, fairly inexpensive, and you know, it'll last you a while. And it's just a must-have tool, really, if you're doing pizzas at home. So yeah, check it out and have fun cooking, y'all. Later.